So here's how you fold and label your doodle sheet. We use the doodle sheet every day in class as a warm-up exercise to get kids drawing every day. And this is how we're going to label it. So the way you fold it, match up the corners. I'm laying it on its side, matching up the corners. Get a nice tight crease, and the way you get an even tighter crease is running your thumb nail along the bottom. I'm going to fold it one more time in the same direction. And again, I'm using my thumb to get a really nice tight crease. When I unfold it, there are now 4 areas to draw in. But we're going to double that up by, again, lining up the corners, folding it in the opposite or perpendicular direction, making a nice tight crease. Nice tight crease a second time, and this is your finished doodle sheet. Now, the orientation right now is horizontal or landscape. We want to rotate it so that it's portrait or vertical. And here's how you're going to label it. In the top right hand corner, you're going to put your full name. This is a made up name that I use all the time. Do not write this name on your doodle sheet. This is your doodle sheet. It goes in your portfolio folder. Second thing I'm going to do is period 3, shelf number, and what grade you're in. Could be 6th, 7th, and 8th. If you're not in period 3, make sure this is whatever period you're in, 1, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Now the other thing that's not totally necessary to do, but I like to do, is I like to line the paper. So right along the edge of each line from the fold, I'm going to do a line. Notice that I'm not using a ruler on this. It doesn't matter if it's super straight. Just trace right over the top of the crease in the paper so that you can very clearly see each cell or segment. I'm going to go ahead and do the back side, because when we're finished with this, filling up this sheet, you're going to turn it in for a grade. Each one of these drawings, each one of these cells is worth 1 point. Might not seem like a lot, but if you notice, there are 16 cells on this page. There are 15 cells on this page because you used up one of them for this information. So that's how you create, fold, and label your doodle sheet. This is kept inside your portfolio on whatever shelf number you have.